This is what it's like building your first PC. It's really harder than it looks when it's your first time. I made sure to organize all my screws. I watched so much tutorials, but I couldn't tell you what I was looking at sometimes. The motherboard was a beauty to behold, but look at me struggle with the CPU cooler. Yeah, right there. I was so defeated here. Now that we got that out the way, it's on to the fans. Definitely need better cable management. At this point, I definitely had to watch more tutorial videos. Now here comes the most exciting point, turning it on. Every PC builder wants this, but for me, my fans were on. Look at that beauty.